Hello, back again to Golang Microservices full course. And then in the previous video we have already implement about gRPC communication between user services and between user service and out service. And then I think we still have something to do with our monolith, which is we only have API gateway, out service, and then user service and wallet service. So I think we need to no wallet service, right? I think we need to create the wallet service and then transaction service and ledger maybe. But now in this episode we will talk about the wallet service first. So if you remember last time when we implement the out service and user service, you see that in our DB we have create the table wallets, which is this should not be here if we have a wallet service. So later we will remove this wallets table from the user service and move it to the wallet service, and we called it go wallet underscore wallet. Yeah, if you can see we have here about something. Wait, we in the env we have go wallet out, go wallet user, and then we will add the go wallet underscore wallet. Yeah, okay, so let's begin. First, I think I will create a user wallet service folder here in the microservice services, and then I make their wallet dash service, and then also I will copy the docker file, copy here docker file inside the API gateway here, and then docker file in the out service also here, and should be in the user service as well. DB init no, proto no, share no, user service yes. Here I add the wallet service. Okay, I will close, and then after that I will add the db init in the SQL init. In here init.sql, create database if not exists go wallet underscore wallet, and then grant all privileges on go wallet underscore wallet to go wallet underscore user. Okay, then we also add the proto here, wallet, and wallet.proto, and then we copy here this one for the wallet proto. Here we have a wallet service, which is get wallet by user ID and update wallet balance and create wallet, and then this is the response, which is user ID for create wallet, get wallet also user ID. Create wallet request is user ID, get wallet request also user ID, and create wallet update balance request is user ID, amount, and expected version. This is for optimistic locking. Amount is positive for credit and negative for debit, and then the returns is wallet response, which is ID, user ID, balance, and version. This is should be follow here when we try to check on the user service DB migration. For the up one, we have ID, user ID, balance, currency, and status, version, updated, created, and deleted. For now, for the currency we can ignore it first, because we only support for one currency, which is IDR, or you can change it to yours, which is USD or something. But I think here I only written the ID, user ID, balance, and the version. Okay, and we should add the config as well, which is wallet gRPC address. The config is inside the share config and config. This one, right here I add wallet gRPC address and then wallet here after user gRPC. Okay, and then 50053, and then this I add the wallet for the return. Should be fine. Then we move to the user service. Because we need to, for the user service, we need to remove the API. We need to remove the wallet table. So I think I will add pb to wallet proto wallet here inside the user service cmd main.go pb wallet. Okay, no, I think I need to create, because this is still error, I need to create the protoc one, which is protoc. We can see last time what we have to do is protoc is this one, wallet should be, and then wallet proto, and protogen.go is not okay. I think I need to export as well, but I don't want to export now lah. I think where I can find protoc, I don't want to export every time. So which protoc should be echo path. Okay, echo path is for the which protoc it's homebrew, and then this should be export, but I don't know. Mine is ZSH or Z profile. How to know it? Zeta is your file command. Echo shell, check which shell you use. Run this command. Echo shell bin.cs. It will output confirming you are using it. And then add since you are already containing on your command. Okay, let me check here. And slash dot z profile, I think z profile. Okay, and then I will choose z profile. Okay, then here my protoc, and I can get the wallet proto, github.com, and this should be same as the wallet is as the user service. So I create a folder which is proto, and I move the wallet to here, proto, and sorry, and then wallet, and then I copy here to here. I should have this one. Then I should remove this to the trash, I think, and then I close all first because it's so much file in here. I move to the wallet service. I create a wallet service first. User service I will later change later. So I create a make directory cmd. Inside the cmd I touch cd cmd touch main.go, and I can have a main.go here, and I copy here, which is same as the others. It should be same because first is only here. Oh wait, cancel, I don't need this one yet. So here in the package main, in the main.go we have init logger as always, wallet microservice, load config, and connect redis, connect with retrieve for the MySQL, create new repository for the SQL, and then start the gRPC server and set up the gRPC server, which is listen to the TCP first with this port. It should be to the CFG wallet GP gRPC address, should be work for this, and yeah, okay, and new server pb register wallet, and then set up HTTP server, and yeah, I think wallet HTTP address here. Okay, wallets.me for the get balance for now. Then this should be okay, I think. So I go back to the wallet service, go mod init. Okay, go mod init github.com/basocode/go wallet. Remember, you can change the basocode to your username GitHub, yeah. It's up to you. And microservice, and then wallet service. It should be like this, yeah. Go mod wallet service. If we check on the go mod in here for this is here, I think I need to check the out service go mod. Yeah, and then I copy this one inside the go mod here, and go mod tidy, I think still have a lot of thing to do here. Wait, I go get the gingonic first, go get gingonic, and go get gRPC, go get gRPC. And what I wanted to create with is the other, which is the gRPC wallet and share config. Okay, go mod tidy first. Let me check. Still get an error here. Way, I think I will try to create the migration file first. If you remember about the command you can use, but I think I just try to create manually migrations here. Okay, I create the file, and then I copy this one. What is this guy doing? I should create the SQL file, right? But I think I think I need to remove first. Wait. I will check here in the docs, which is my migrate create this one, migrate here, migrate create db migration, which is create table wallet should be fine. Okay, I get the new here. Further down I will copy paste drop wallet is the table is exists, and then for the wallets I just copy here up. Okay, should be good. And then what happened? Still error, I'm not sure, let me check. Okay, I think I will copy all of the first. Okay, we add the gRPC server inside the inside the internal folder here, create internal and create folder wallet, and then internal wallet. Okay, and then gRPC here, folder gRPC, and server, create a server.go. For gRPC I want to run gRPC inside the wallet service, which is I have this one. I go get UUID, Google UUID. So here we have a wallet gRPC server, create wallet, and then get wallet by user ID, and then update wallet balance. This create wallet is created when we are registering user, right? And then we also add the server test.go, server test.go. This is optional, only for testing if our code is working or not. So I think I will copy here. First is test wallet gRPC server for update, for get func, create func, and create wallet success, get wallet success first, update wallet success, and then get wallet not found. Yeah, this should be, you can add more there, but I think this is enough for now. I will create the folder called handler. Yeah, maybe last time, yes, handler and handler.go, and I copy this one, handler.go. It should be, and we need to add the model. So here inside wallet model, and then wallet.go, wait, okay, then repository. So repository.go, repository, and repository.go. Here I add the wallet service, which is get user by ID, and then update balance with owner check, and then create. Okay, here get user by ID, update wallets, update balance, create, and new MySQL repository, and create. This is insert into wallets, and this is get user by ID, and update balance plus what, and then version, and balance more than 0, and balance plus this one more than 0. So I begin the transaction, and then I roll back if anything not works, and I think this one should be after that commit. Yep, should be good. we have a wallet pb.go, which is inside the proto and wallet pb.go and wallet gRPC pb.go. This is generated, right? And then I add the docker file as usual. This for creating docker file, creating the service, and also go walk. I think, yep. And then go mod, I think I need to replace this one. Okay, should be fine. Go mod id. Wait, go mod id, I still have an error or not here, which is wallet http address in the config. I need to check the config. Oh, what is the config? Where the config, this one. We have a out service URL and wallet http address. What is the URL? Let me check on the other. Go mod, go some cmd for the main.go. No, the user service on port 8081. Okay, I think first we need to use 8082 lah. Yeah, so later maybe if remember, I think I will go back here. If remember, yeah. If not remember, so sorry. You can change this to use the config. It's up to you. Yeah, because in the production, something like this, something like the port is usually created on the env file. So please, yeah, later you should add that. Should be. So here our service, I think that's all. I also, the user service should be at check later. Here I think I need the env, which is, if I'm not mistaken, is db name wallet. Should be go wallet and then user. If I'm not mistaken, let me check on the config. Should be here. No, we don't have here this one. db name go wallet env go wallet db name user and db name user, which is here docker compose. Yeah, we will add in the docker compose. Inside the docker compose, we add the wallet service condition server started. This is in set 67, which is here, depends on the wallet service, like this. And then yep. And then wallet gRPC address, this is 120 here. Wallet gRPC address, and depends on, I think I need to create a wallet service here. This is user service, right? I think here I need to create wallet service, and then after that environment depends on, I also copy here, so should be same, depends on here. Okay, depends on, and MySQL Redis wallet network unless stop. This should be okay. And then we should see the first go walk use wallet service. Inside go walk we should have wallet service here. Okay, so this should be fine. And then we move to the user service. First we need to add a pb wallet user service, pb wallet, which is, I will close all first. pb wallet pb wallet out service pb wallet here. Wait, I forgot about the env inside the here. Here is I forgot. I copy this one to this one. Oh, we have already, yeah. Okay, we have already this one, yeah. Add this one. Okay, don't forget I add the pb wallet import, and then I import the credential insecure already here, I think here, and then insecure, and then for the migration I drop the table migration. This is out service. Sorry. This is out service, not the user service. I'm sorry. I need to go to the user service. Where is user service? Here. I copy the pb wallet, and then also the credential insecure, and credential insecure from the gRPC. I connect to the wallet gRPC. This is under email sender. It's here. Connect. If we see it's not deferred here, since the main function blocks on HTTP server, well, but we can defer it or keep it open. Let me check on the other gRPC client. For the other service, use the defer or not. Defer db close. Okay, I think I add the defer db close here, and then here and here. Okay, and then I still need to add the user service inside the wallet client. Wallet client is used in the user service. Use repo, wallet repo, change to user wallet client. Okay, so this one should be error. Wallet repo should be removed, right? Wallet repo should be removed, and then also wallet repo. Okay, this one should be good. Wallet repo should be removed, and then we drop the table for the wallet. We delete because we don't need the wallet table, and here also we delete. And then after that we go to the service, the service.go, which is internal user service.go. Internal user service.go. We add a pb wallet here in the imported one, and we change the wallet repo to the wallet gRPC wallet client pb wallet here, w repo to w client, and then here wallet client w client here. Okay, should be good. And then we change the model wallet dot wallet here, set 103. Yeah, this one s dot wallet create tx. So delete. Wait, here also delete. So this if error should be return nil create tx. Delete until what is this, if create. Okay, I think from here. Yeah, Okay, good, should be good. And then for the create wallet, insert 3 model one, this one 390, yeah, I think internal server error 390, this model wallet, yeah, I think copy here. So user create wallet client to be like this. Okay, I think this one should be okay. What an error is this? Decimal is not used. Okay, this one should be done. I also need to go mode to add the replace one here. Go mode here, replace, yeah, wallet service to wallet service. We need to cd user service and go mod id first. Okay, cd out service, go mod id, cd user service, yeah, I think wallet service, go mod id, anything we need to go mod id, it should be. So I want to delete the user service for handler wallet, yeah, which is, do we have repository wallet here? Wallet repo, do we have repo wallet in the user service? Do we have the wallet one? Let me check. New wallet inside the repo. Okay, I think here wallet is should be delete. For the wallet repository I delete, yeah, create tx, delete this one, should be later we have an error here, and then okay, we need to delete, and it should be fine, I think. Then cd microservice docker file should be fine for all, yeah. I start the docker container, docker desktop, and I wanted to docker compose down dash v, yeah, I think docker compose down dash v, I think. Let me check, do we have a docker compose down or docker compose down? What the command? Clear docker compose down dash v. So we remove first, and then I think we also need to remove, how to remove all unused image. Oh yeah, image, yeah, rmi local remove. Let me check here, the build container image is gone. I remove, yeah, this one. So for Redis and MySQL and MyLab, I don't need to remove, because if I remove, this is re-download, and then should be so long. This, what is volume, I'm not sure. The builds one, microservice, I can delete because this is unused build. So volume is, I keep it first, then I will docker compose up, docker compose build up, and build. Is it like this? Is this correct for up? Okay, let me check. Oh, docker compose up build dash d. Okay. Okay, I will pause the video until this done. Thank you. Wait, I have an error here. I will check with an AI what is should doing. I'm not sure. Let me check. This is declare and use for the repository, wallet repository. Do I miss something here? Wallet repository. Did I miss something? The microservices should be inside declare wallet and main.go. What he did inside user service. Skip, reject, skip, sorry. So I think this one, wallet client here, and this is delete, and user service is using wallet service. Okay, should be fine. I will docker compose again and wait until it's done. I will pause the video. Okay, this one has been started. We check. Yeah, all of this is started. Yeah, so I wanted to go to the database to check whether the database is already created or not. I close folder and I refresh. Yeah, we have a out, user, and wallet, but this is blank database. We don't have the table yet, so we are going to migrate, right? Migrate to the docs. Migrate path. The docs is migrate path. This one, I'm not sure. Last time what I do first is here user. First is out service, db migration, and go wallet out. Let me check. Works here. I want to refresh and I go here. I get the refresh token. Okay, then also for the user. Okay, and this is user. Okay, we check and then after that wallet, we check later wallet, and then wallet, we do check first. This is 0k00. We refresh, we have a 69, and then 48 should be works, OTP codes and user, and then this is the wallet. Okay, we test. Yeah, we test by creating new account. I wanted to create a free run first. Free run should be first. Register. The internal server error. Well, something went wrong on the server. Please try again. Let me check on the Docker desktop. Logs. We check. Not the out service, but the my user service. Not sure what happened in here, so I think I need to check the IP. No, the wallet. Is there any error? User service. I check the database. We have the user or not. The data is not here. The wallet also not here. I got an error. Please check when register got this. Don't code anything, just tell me what's wrong. try to here to check during the registration flow. The service make a gRPC call to wallet service to automatically provision wallet the new user. If the wallet service is down, not reachable, or gRPC or over gRPC or file transaction rollbacks and register return internal server error. And sure, here what is this service wallet repo? Yeah, this one is last time. Logs checks the container. If you see error fail to create wallet, it means user service could not communicate. So I think in what is in log like this, the RPC error connection refuse. We have a connection refuse here. Connection refuse. So when we go to the user service and register, what we have is this is service register. Here, get by email if not already registered, and prescribe and begin text rollbacks and create wallet. Okay, failed. Change the address argument from in the wallet gRPC address. The service is trying to bind from the env file. Okay, here, but I think we have right. gRPC is coming from wallet gRPC address. When we check on the env, wallet gRPC address is here, but I have already add this. Yes, having wallet is correct and required. The env example here. However, there is a difference between dialing and listening. Client needs to dial to reach the other container. This is env. Server need to bind its own local. It should listen on all interface. In Go, trying to not listen from within the wallet service container cause it failed to start. It's not a local info. So what should I do? Can use this. Yes, you still need in your env. You can and must use it there because reach that variable for the user service. Where is the wallet service? The only place you shouldn't use it inside the cmd.code on the server net.listen. So in net.listen, this one, change only server like this. What is here? How about this? No, that will shoot in the string which is invalid address and will cause a crash. If you want to use the configure the dynamic, you can extract to the port by taking the part. But since in fix for the service in Docker Compose, the simplest and fast way is, if you prefer to extract, you should use go split host. Okay, I think. Okay, yeah. Anything like this should be fine. Dynamic approach. Yep. Fallback if handle an error. No, I think. Fallback should be what? Should be log fatal, I think. Yep. So this will not open. and then I think I will try to find this for the other part, which is inside the main.co user service. Here, something like this. Locker fatal. Yeah. Okay, in here also I use locker fatal f. Okay, fatal. So I want to remove the log, and this should be fatal. Okay, and then should be fine. Here inside the wallet service I want to use logger instead of log. I think log here. I should check whether anything has log or not here. Okay, this should be error in the service test. I think we'll trying to logger. Then nil should be fine, no error. I will try to build again and I will pause the video. Okay, so the service is start and I think we can try example.com first, and then yep, this is already integrated and already working. I will check here. The wallet is already have the ID, version is 1, status active, the user also. But if you see inside the mailhook, we have something that we can use, right? Your verification code is this one, and last time we need to log in first then verify the email. This is unusual, and I think this is the bonus part of this video. We will fix this email because we shouldn't have used something like this. We can use the verification code though, but we cannot log in. We cannot log in first. We cannot force the user to log in then to verify the email, because when we register, sometimes we have a link confirmation that sent to the email, or we should have a confirm email first before we can log in. So here is the thing. So I already try, which is inside the CMD user service. I will copy user service here, and user service inside the verify email. This is should be not in the protected but in here. So I add here verify email. I create as a post this one, sorry, as a get, because I just want to use verify email link verification, and then okay, should be done for this. And then for the verify email function, I will add this one, user string from the query and user code from the query. Here inside the user ID, we got get user ID. This should be not good, right? I will copy in this one until invalid input verify OTP request. This one I delete, then I paste here. Okay, then this one I add here. Yep, and then user ID code, yeah, this one, yeah, should be this, something like this. An error should be bad request and invalid input, and user and query parameter something like this, yeah, are required. Yeah, this one. And then we in the handler, wait, in the service.go, we find the case here inside the wallet, which is the user service here. I will change here body to have OTP, user ID and OTP code. This should be verified email is also config, yeah, this one. Password is set your. Okay, this one is from GFG, yeah, should be from GFG. Okay, wait, host GFG config dot load config dot API gateway dot API gateway. No need. app.host app base URL. Is this anything? No need lah. Later we need to change this one, yeah. This is still hard coded, but it's okay lah. For the testing one, we should change this later. And then after that, we cannot make the user login without he already verified the email. So how to do that? I think inside the login function, inside the out service, logged in function here. If the login check get user by email, and then we check if user already verify email. If get is verified, return email not get is verified. Is this hash get password hash here, user proto, get role, get email, get ID. We should change, we should try email not registered. Yeah, this one should be let me check. What should I add here? Is verified, true or false? User proto, because we don't have, so we need to regenerate. I think regenerate is verify pb in the user is verified the user. It should be something like last time here, and we should add ball is verified 6 in the message service, which is this one. Ball is verified, and then we do the product. One gRPC server.go inside the get user by ID and get user by email, we add this verified. For this, user response is verified, and then user response is verified. Okay, but this one is error, so we need to generate the product, right? So the product, how to generate is something like last time. Let me check product, but this one should be inside user, and then user product. What we change in what as we change is inside the user product, right? The proto user proto, yeah, user dot proto. So yes, here we copy and then we paste inside the proto user. Here we paste. I delete. Wait. The name should be, I delete this one. Delete first, and then inside the user proto we should change the copy to here. And then if we see, we have already changing here after we generate. Yeah, we have get is verified here. If we check here inside, this one is verified is added here, and then something like this. And yeah, I think this one should be okay. I wanted to build again, and wait a second, I will pause the video. So the service is started. I will try to check. Yeah, wait, example user, the wallet's only one. I want to try to free run, register as a free run, and I want to send. I think this should be works. We refresh the DB, we get the free run here, full name free run and email free run. And then I think we check the mail hog, refresh. Nah, we get this. Please verify your email by clicking the following link. Okay, we check in the DB offer. Is verified is 0 for both of the new user. I will click here. Email verified successfully, and success is true. And when we refresh, the free run is 1 and then example is 0. So I want to go login. Example, email not verified, please verify your email. And then for the free run should be can login. Yeah, this one should be good. Yes, we did it, bro. And then I think for now we stop first. I will push this and then pull right and then merge. Yeah, don't forget to create a new branch. Check out HP should be feature. What here is 026. Yeah, I think should be wallet service, and I enter and I commit, implement and add email verification endpoint. Okay, what is the store I wanted to discard? Then I think that's all is good. Also, I want to delete the github.com folder. Yep, then move to trash, should be fine. Oh, delete the folder also, move to trash. And then I want to commit publish branch, and then I will merge and see you in the next video. Thank you.